Sementara itu, PLN dan anak perusahaannya bersama BUMN Bersinergi mengekspolasi peluang pengembangan hidrogen hijau untuk kebutuhan di dalam dan di luar negeri. Pengembangan hidrogen hijau memberi alternatif yang ramah lingkungan.
Hydrogen is an environmentally friendly energy source that is being developed for the future. With abundant and varied natural resources, through regulatory support and appropriate technology, Indonesia can become one of the world's hydrogen centers. Currently, the Indonesian government is developing green hydrogen production. The electricity source will come from geothermal power plants and solar power plants. As a strengthening step towards green hydrogen, PLN has taken a strategic path in the form of implementing hydrogen-based co-firing. In the future, hydrogen co-firing will be implemented on a large scale. This initiative is included in PLN's roadmap towards nationally determined contribution 2030 and net zero emission 2060. Hydrogen development in Indonesia continues to be carried out through various research and pilot projects. Effort to introduce green hydrogen to business practitioners and stakeholders in the electrical energy sector as well as to the public continue to be communicated. Multi-partner collaboration is an important approach in encouraging the realization of green industry cluster for the development of green hydrogen in Indonesia. PLN and its subsidiaries, together with other state-owned enterprises, synergize to explore opportunities for developing green hydrogen for domestic and foreign needs. The development of green hydrogen provides a fresh alternative to many industries that are making energy transitions. The development of green hydrogen will not only have a positive impact on accelerating decarbonization, but also on the economic sector. The government, together with PLN and related parties, are currently accelerating green hydrogen investment. This step is expected to encourage the realization of the use of green hydrogen and contribute significantly to the effort to achieve a zero emissions target.